Our downstairs bathrooms, we're in New York. One of the bulbs went out, one of our can bulbs. So I reached up there to get it, and I realized it was freezing cold. There was freezing cold air in the can area there. It's completely opened up there. Here's this thing, all right? Let's see what it says. I don't know if you can see that. It says 50, I can't even see, 49 degrees. $50 degrees. So you have 50-degree air coming into the room. I mean, it's always been cold in here. I actually had to install a toe kick heater down there, you can see, because this room, no matter what, is freezing cold. That's an outside wall over there, and that's another outside wall. This is a closet. So what I did was I went to Home Depot. And I bought this. It's a totally enclosed, it's an LED, and it's totally enclosed. Let me grab it, I'll show you. So it looks like this. LED, completely sealed off. All right, it comes with a grounding wire. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna replace it. It screws in, it's like idiot proof, and I'm an idiot. So, I don't know, so you can see this plugged in here. Just plug this in, right there. That screws in. You can even change the color temperature. I have it set right now at 3,000, which is closest to what a regular bulb is. So watch, let me point this up and I'll see if you can watch how I put it in. It's actually pretty easy. It basically just, you screw this in and this snaps up and then you're finished. Watch. First, it would be good if I take the other one down first. So here's how you take it down. Just pull this down, squeeze these two things in, and then you got this. So these two pins pull in. What I'm gonna do is turn off the light here. That's it, all right? So I don't know if you can see. So the new one, I'm just gonna screw this in. This I can do with the light on. So we're just gonna screw this in. Okay. I probably should turn off the light. Then I'm gonna just put these two things, there are two channels up in there. I don't know if you can see, let's see. See that channel right there? So the metal thing goes inside of here and it pushes open. Let's see, let me show you again, that wasn't too good. It goes inside of this and there's one on that side. So watch. Just gonna squeeze this in. Actually, it's probably easier if I turn the light off. I don't know if this is even visible now though. Yeah, I'll leave it on. So I'll squeeze it in. And the light's in my eye, so I can't see a thing. In. In. Okay. So that's it, it's in and it's up there. Let's see. Turn this thing back on here. See where we are. And that was registering 40 degrees before. 50 degrees, I think it was. So, all right, so it's nothing I can do about the perimeter of that, but let me turn the light off. So, now the cold spot is 71. All right, one more quick thing. I hate to keep pulling this down. Watch. See, you can change the color temperature. Let me see if I can find where that is. Here it is. So watch. Goes all the way from this, I don't know if you can be able to see, which is a very daylight blue. There's the other side of the spectrum. There's very yellow. All right, so it's actually pretty cool. You could do, yeah, let's point it over there. It goes all the way from 2,700. This is 3,000. It's 5,000, 6,000. That's a little harsh for my eyes. That's a little yellow. So I went back to 3,000. That's approximately what those bulbs are, even they might be a little darker yellow. But I mean, it looks kind of weird if it's that yellow. So we'll go back to that. So that's it. That's a bonus. I can put this back in here. I don't know if you can, but you can't see. All right, it's sealed all the way around. But that's it. So I have it set at about 3,000 degrees Kelvin, or whatever you want to call it, which is approximately what a regular bulb, incandescent bulb would be. But again, this thing was the Halo. You can work for 5 or 6 inches. It's LED. Get the 5 color selectable. It's dimmable. It's waterproof. So, and I say this is about maybe like $20.